letter P. Let's hear my story.
Plum, the panda found a clay pot under a tree.
I wonder what's inside.
A bright parrot flew down.
Maybe it's treasure.
A proud peacock added,
Maybe it's magic.
Plum looked inside, but it was empty. He laughed and turned the pot upside down to play it like a drum. The parrot sang, the peacock danced, and they had a playful day.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.